I noticed that my Freehub didn't operate as it should do. I dismounted the Freehub and discovered that one ratchet was loose, and the spring which holds those 1, 2, 3 ratchets is still in its place. So I thought, why did that ratchet go out? This here is the end part of the spring, and that end part should not be here but here. That's the error I made. This is the place for the third ratchet. Then you have a smooth part. Then you have ratchet number 2. Then you have a smooth part. Then you have ratchet number 3. And then you have the part where the spring should end. And that I did wrong. I have lifted the end of the spring. It's now there. It's now here, and I will now slide in the ratchet over there, and then try to turn this over the ratchet into this location. Now I have lifted the spring. Try to slip the ratchet behind the spring. Try to lift the spring over the ratchet, but is okay. I'll need 2 hands. Okay, the spring is now over there. I can now lower the ratchet. The ratchet has jumped up. Now I have to pull this end and pull it over there in this location. I don't know if I will be able to do that while filming. I'll try. Oh. Okay, the end of the spring, which is hooked, which has an angle of 90 degrees, is now in the spot where it needed to be. Now all ratchets are working correctly, lifting the spring, but without a problem. Let's hope so.
Ja, pontje kwam er mooi aan.
Aha! So that's no problem. I try to arrange these balls as good as possible, and they will also centralize themselves. So I'm ready to remount the thing. There are no balls in places where they shouldn't be, so let's go for it.